Hello everyone and welcome to the Cinegeeks Podcast trailer reaction video. We're gonna watch the trailer for Final Destination Bloodlines. Okay, so ang date nito sa States is May 16, so that's supposed to be a Friday.
Oh, birthday weekend.
14, so happy birthday.
Yay!
May pa-birthday gift sa'yo
nice.
Si Final
Perfect
Destination.
gift.
Okay, sige. Let's go ahead and watch the trailer for Final Destination Bloodlines. Yan.
My old man just died. I come in as a favor and now they want me to lock up. Hey, 5-star
New
review,
Line
yeah?
Cinema, buhay na buhay
Like
ulit.
and subscribe on all the things.
Hey movie, what did we do to you?
Nang ano ka eh. Not the piercing though. Shit.
Actually, nakita ko yung piercing
Yan
niya.
na. Okay.
Ikaw yung naisip ko kanina nakita yung piercing dyan eh. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh jeez.
Naku, ito na.
Air supply pa lang. Mwah. Aww. Here we go. Oh shit.
The song.
Yeah. To
Can
live
Lee.
without you.
Can Lee.
Oh shit. Oh,
Oh no! Ah!
Oh! 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 Yes! Yeah!
Wheezy. Ah, not the piercing! No!
Ken Lee! To live without you!
This screams
I know, God.
millennial talaga, no?
I know.
Millennial staple talaga yung Final Destination sa atin eh.
Alam mo yung lumaki tayo na kapag nagmamaneho, wag kang magmamaneho sa likod ng truck na mayroong bakal o may puno or may kahoy
Oo.
or whatever na may naka-stick out sa likod.
Oo.
Ay nako. Pero mas ikaw yung ikaw talaga yung fan nitong series na to.
Yes.
Ano masasabi mo dyan sa na yan? Sabi pang ilang Final Destination na ba to?
Grabe. As usual, yung talagang you're watching a train wreck in slow-mo.
True.
Ganun talaga siya. Parang you can't look away.
Exactly.
Pero you kinda wanna watch what happens. Ganon. Yung
Grabe.
grabing morbid
Oo.
curiosity na yon.
Tama. Masabi ko lang pang-anim na Final Destination na to, yung last one, yung Final Destination 5 was 2011.
Ang tagal na rin pala.
Oh my God. I mean, lahat ng mga fans niyan, kaway-kaway, may pamilya, dapat may anak na kayo,
May tatlong anak na kayo.
or may arthritis na kayo, or both, may gout
may
na.
maintenance.
May maintenance na kayo. Ay, nako. Pero nakakatuwa yung trailer na yun kasi hindi siya yung parang collection of scenes na usually pag trailer sanay tayo. Para siyang yung
Patikim talaga ng isa sa mga highlights.
Oo.
Parang alam mo yung parang yung intro scene ng Scream.
Ay, oo, parang ganun.
Parang ganun siya.
And
Yun yung hook.
And I'm pretty sure na this is going to be that. It's going to be parang the intro of the movie, kumbaga. Na kasi, yung sinabi doon, di ba, death runs in the family.
Yeah.
So,
bakit? So, is this like a family member of a past survivor?
Okay, time to watch all 5 again.
We have time.
May nasunod naman,
Tapos mapapraning. Alam mo, ito talaga yung ultimate praning movie or franchise talaga. Parang, alam mo yung kahit nasa, nasa salon ka lang, pag naalala mo yung mga scenes doon, talagang, you know what I'm talking about. Yung simpleng nasa tanning bed ka, tapos, yung ganon? Ganon ka mundane na mga bagay na, shucks.
Alam mo yung siya, nakakatuwa kasi, feeling ko magkakaroon ng resurgence tong ito pagkatapos na nagkaroon ng new life ni Saw dahil sa Saw X. So parang magkasabay na naman sila. It's our childhood all over again. High school life.
Ganda pala pakiramdam ng mga OG Star Wars fans nung nagkaroon ng nung mga sequels.
Ganito. Parang my childhood. Yes.
Sana
lang maganda. Child. Please, sana lang maganda to.
Don't fail us, please.
Ano bang dito? Ano bang sabi sa Final Destination Bloodlines na wala pang premise. Ooh. Pero super mysterious.
Ooh.
Okay.
Ayan, dito mo gamitin yung ooh. Okay, so yeah.
You heard our thoughts about this very exciting new movie and the trailer. Tell us what you thought about it in the comment section. So, for the CineGeeks trailer reaction video, this is Roy.
And Angela.
Thanks for watching. Till next time.